What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and today I'm going to review The Family Man Season 2. Before moving further, I would like to highlight one of the crucial and important thing that I ever learned in my life also. That you should have a real cross-cultural experience and knowledge. And you will also see in this movie also, there are several times you could understand that there is a very big miscommunication and lack of a good bond of coordination, and it happened at the earlier as very earlier as they started things. If you are in your workspace or if you have a circle of friends, definitely your friends are from different cultures and communities, so you have to learn about them so that they will also learn about you, and they can grab some good things from your culture, from food to habits, and you can also deliver something good from your culture. So this way it will be a good to create a intercultural harmony so that there will be no more clashes. The most important thing is sometimes we see in South Asia that a different sect claim superiority on the basis of language, and thus feels the others are inferior, and they just sometimes look down on them. So it doesn't define the value, it doesn't define the value of their life towards the culture or the system that we live in, because we are all equally made, and that's the most important thing. Is now you cannot say that you are more intellect or you are more smart or more genius and others are not. So it happened like if you are in someone's ground, that person definitely know this each and every corner of that street, and that happened in this series as well. Muthu, the character, he knew from the beginning where the things are, whereas they are the newcomers and they were lost. And the most important thing is during this whole series, you can justify by yourself also that they they were not able to take a single step before Intel of Chelam, and the man just came even a cameo role, a very minor role, but very crucial. So you should always be humble. And people were what they were like, they were talking that we really need this series in our own mother tongue, or they just prioritize more. Sometimes the directors have done a very tremendous job, especially they wanted to keep the things authentic. Do you think it will not even look like you are watching a Hollywood movie in a Hindi subtitle, or you are watching a Hollywood movie with the voiceover of Hindi? It is good if you are not in the mood to learn that the things that are happening. So they just wanted to keep it very authentic so that it will give you the vibe of what is really happening. So right, if you are angry, definitely you have a different emotions. If you are happy, you will have a different emotions. That happened with them also. They wanted to show that how they really have a feel of the situation. And I think the directors have done a very good job by collaborating with different languages. That happened and you really enjoy it. So let's move on what the story is all about. The creators took a risk of giving Samantha the role of Raji. Very controversial, debatable, gossip, but people were divided because they were thinking that why they banned Tandav and why they are not banning this one, because of their own reservations. But the creators were standing by her, because throughout the movie you could understand that they pick her up and giving the role that will not stigmatize the whole, but the moreover they have just defined her as a freedom fighter, and that was because they were in the uniform, definitely. And the most important thing is there is already a collaboration or backdoor diplomacy that was going on between their leadership and as well as the upper administration. They were in a communication throughout the movie, and you could see it by yourself also. That's why you could say that the narrators really, or the creators also, they knew the story very well. And I think she just justify her character. First they criticize you, then they appreciate you. That happened with her also. She, because her role dominated the whole series, and you will really enjoy it. So let's start one by one what the story is all about and what the characters are. If you are very well aware of international relations or current affairs, you could understand the term that came into my mind, and it is one of the episode in this series, because Shrikant Tiwari, he already knew that he is living with the guilt. That's why he switched his job, and now he he has given up task just because of his family and what he is living with, and he cannot sleep very well, means his conscience is not happy with what he has done. So he even went to that family also to understand or have a good amicable settlement or talk that we really acknowledged it, but for administration they just think that it is a collateral damage. That is an episode, and you really enjoy it, that from both hands it happens. So in this one also there is a collateral damage from their own team, and the actor from Aspirant, Sunny, is also in this, and you could understand that he is also living with the guilt. And both Shrikant Tiwari and both are in the same phase, but what happens in the end, you will really feel saddened, and you will also enjoy what the story will take you, and how it will take you to that point where you will really understand that how you feel once you lose your own people, or you are really at the verge of losing your own people, but don't but your administration doesn't care about if you lose hundreds of people, because you call them collateral damage. Now he is working in an office like an ordinary man. He is not enjoying his job, and his boss is giving him a tough job, means tough time. Whereas JK is assigned in another area, and he is giving him the current news that what is happening. So somehow he gave up his job, and he also becomes a part of it. And there is a backdoor diplomacy also going on, and that is the very big hurdle that all these people feel very incompetent when they are fighting with the group, because they underestimate their power. And imagine that you are bringing your weaker players in front of a very strong team, and just losing all your players, and suddenly you are claiming that there is something like you are in a win-win situation. And that happened with it here as well. His family, because of his actions, this time his family is going to pay the grave repercussions, and they have to pay the price for it, and it happened. And this is somewhat a new turning point that they have, because that fire is now already reached his doorsteps. And now once they are in that Tamil Nadu, another area, they have to collaborate with the local team so that they can get their support, they can have a good partner who can cross that barrier of language, so that they can grab the information very quickly. And they found themselves at zero, because they don't have more details about what the things are happening, how the red tapeism will stop them. And there is only one person that comes as a savior, as a good Samaritan, and that is Chelam. Without Chelam, Shrikant Tiwari cannot move or cannot make any further decision about what is happening, because all his team is running around here and there, and they have nothing to gain by that. Just a very little hint, but not too much as compared to Chelam, because he has every ground reality. And I believe that without these two crucial roles, Shrikant Tiwari was found very normal. Same catch lines, we love it. Same plot, but above average, not that one. But you see that once he is in a different ground, he has to rely solely on that a person who belongs to that area. Last not the least, Samantha dominated the whole series. So you will enter in this series for Manoj Bajpayee, and in the end you will stay for Samantha, because her transition will take you to another level. Definitely she played a very key role and did a justice here, because how she portrayed it very clearly, and you could see it her all other movies as compared to this. I think it is her OTT debut, a good do it to die for, and that happened in this, and you will really enjoy it. And overall, I have seen that I have talked too much here also. I don't want to say much. The the good thing that I really felt, that it's a good collaboration with other culture. Overall, the team was very good. The directors, Samantha and Muthu, Chelam, Shirikant, JK, who was at the verge of losing his life, and you could also see it. And the another thing is also their family life is broken, and most of the time there are many, not one part of the thing that hit you, but several factors. And at the end, they have already given you the hint that the next series will definitely be from Nagaland, Ranchal. They have already shown during this time or this phase of pandemic. Definitely, there is another plot that they are blowing up to make for the next season, and definitely there will be third season, and it will also spark a controversy, because they are picking up all the regions where there is something going on. I hope you really enjoy it. Thank you so much for bearing me, and have a great weekend. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.